Hello guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel. Welcome again, new episode on R2. Today we're going to talk about the XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro pen display. What I've done here, I reached up to XP Pen and they were so good that they offered me a good discount for this pen display. I usually run, as you know, for open source application. I do like photography, so sometimes when I do tutorials and I teach, for example, some open source programs that you can use with pen displays, we made a deal that I was going to do a video for them, and I'm gonna show how to install and use some of the open source application, such as, for example, Krita, Paint, and so many others. Anyway, you can have a Darktable just in case, for example, you're using Lightroom. So instead to pay for a full version of Lightroom, you can have a Darktable. There are many other applications open source that you can use with this tablet, and that will make life easier for a lot of people. Of course, mainly these kind of tablets are used by artists. So how you can see that the actual tablet is quite big. I'm going to show that one later on anyway. Now you can actually see the stand as well. It comes with a stand, multiple plugs that are for United States, United Kingdom, Europe and Asia. This is a stand, for example. It's plastic, but it's quite sturdy, and you can do a lot of, you can actually put a lot of force on it. It doesn't bend at all. The stand also has a small bevel where you can actually position the tablet, as you can see here. Here we got the next box, and let's have a look what's inside. We got some leaflets here. We got them. Don't think it's the manual. Yes, it is the manual. It is also in English as well, and in Chinese. Then we have the glove that'll help you to ensure that the screen is not going to be smeared by your hands of the oil. We got the thank you card from XP Pen, and we also got the warranty card. And at the end we got the little cloth to clean the actual screen. Alright, this is the next box, and we're going to open up in a second. We'll definitely have the cables. Here we have the pen box where you will find a pen inside, and in the end we got the power block that will have, this is the American version there, but there are also the European and the British adapter for that. Here we go. Now we're going to the actual box. As you can see on the top logo there is the actual cable. So let's open it up, and there we go. The XP Pen 15.6 Pro come with the all-in-one cable, very easy to use, so you don't have to do a lot. This is the actual power extension that will be attached to the red plug there. As you can see, the USB plug. Now this is the HDMI that's going to be attached to your computer, and also comes with three other plugs, 2 USBs and 1 USB-C. That's the A versions, and the other one is not. There we go. Now let's have a look at the actual pen. It's a fantastic kind of a plastic and aluminum case. It opens two sides, one to open for the pen, like you're gonna see now. This is a battery-free pen. It's quite light, very nice, and you can actually use it without any problems. It comes with also 2 buttons. They are all programmable, of course. We're going to put it back inside the custody there, and a really good fit. And we're going to put this one on top to close it. The actual cap there can also be used for a pen holder. On the other side, we're going to open as well. Here you'll find the 8 nibs. There we go, the 8 nibs there. So those are all the items that comes with the actual tablet. We got the cloth, we got the glove, we got the cable, and the extension for the power, as you can see here, with the male and female adapter. And this is the only one simple cable that has the HDMI, USB-C, and USB power, and the USB normal. The red one is for the power. So this is the actual stand, and it's quite sturdy, good plastic material. Unfortunately, the only thing, the downside of this is the only one, I don't know if you call it height, the only one angle, and you can have a multiple angles. So you got two options. One, you can actually lay the tablets straight on the desk, or you can have the tablet on this stand with the one angle, as you can see here now. It's quite sturdy, and I'm putting a lot of force on it, trust me. So let's put the tablet on the stand. There we go. Right, so now we're going to look at the side of the tablets, where you can have two buttons. With the power button, there we got the up and down for your brightness, and the USB-C connection. And now we're going on the other side. On the left side, you got 8 buttons, shortcuts, and 1 scroll wheels. Alright, so now let's go to the xppen.com website, and where we're going to download the latest driver for this tablet. I'm going to download the Windows 7, 8, and 10, the latest one, and I'm going to save it on my computer. Of course, there is a Linux, and there is also a Mac driver. I'm going to double click on the folder that I extracted from the zip file, and I'm going to install the file. There we go, the installation started. We got the menu there. I clicked on install, and all we got to do now, wait until the installation has been completed. There we go, the installation completed, and let's click on complete. And this is the actual app that comes with the driver for you to configure your tablet. So now we're going to open the configuration from the app. So this is the actual pen tablet configuration file. Here we got the type of tablets we have installed, the 15.6 Pro. This is the actual pen that comes, as you know, with 2 buttons, as I showed you earlier on. And here you can actually put whatever you want those 2 buttons to do. You can have right click, middle click, pen, eraser, no action. You can actually have your own function keys. Here are the sensitivity that goes from hard to soft, or vice versa, from soft to going to the top, and to the bottom going for harder. Now the actual pen comes with well over 8,000 pen pressure, exactly 8,192. You can tilt up to 60 degrees, and you get 8 shortcuts on the tablet, as I showed you earlier on. And in a second, I'm going to show you how those shortkeys gets programmed. You got the roller wheel, and as you can see here, I'm trying the pen pressure. You can, of course, don't forget you need to calibrate, and here the express key settings, where you can actually set each shortcut on each button. Now you can leave it as they are, or you can make your own, and as you can see when it says on the top other, you can create your own shortcuts for each program you use. And if you miss anything, just press on default. This is the dial, and as you can see here, you can have the function that you want to assign to. Now I'm going to calibrate the screen. and you can see all you got to do now with the pen, just click on the red cross there, and you will see the red cross on all sides of the actual screen. XP Pen also give you the possibility to import and export your configuration. I am exporting my configuration now, so just in case I mess up something, I can go back and import it again. So now I'm going in Krita, an open source drawing application, where I'm going to show you how it really works, and I'm going to show you some strokes that you can actually do with the actual pen and how fast you can do it. It's quite responsive, and as you can see, the pressure works perfectly well. And as you can see here, you can actually erase as well your drawing. I just went up to 350% and it looks pretty good, and also the strokes are nice and clean. There we go, that's 800%, I think, 500, 400, and as you can see, they're pretty good. This is the actual 100% of the screen, and there we go, we actually delete everything. This is extremely thin stroke. I think it's 0.1 or something like that. This is 1 pixel, as you can see here. Okay folks, thanks again for watching my unboxing. This wasn't a tutorial, but again, maybe soon I'm going to do a small tutorial on some open source application that I personally use with this tablet. I would like to give again a shout out to XP Pen for giving this a possibility. I did pay for the tablets, but I had a good discount. So yeah, again, thanks XP Pen. Don't forget guys to subscribe, like and share my videos, and of course ladies as well, don't forget to subscribe and share. Take care guys.